Hello. Welcome to this video tutorial on how to form an LLC, or a limited liability company. In this video, we'll be discussing the important steps and considerations that go into forming an LLC, and provide you with the information you need to get started. Whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur, or just starting out, forming an LLC is an important step in protecting your personal assets and establishing your business as a separate legal entity. So, let's get started and take a closer look at what it takes to form an LLC. Check our guide on the best online LLC formation services to set up your business. We have added the link in the description. Step 1. When it comes to starting a business, the location you choose to incorporate in can have a significant impact on your company's success. Some important factors to consider when choosing the city to form your LLC, including tax laws, business regulations, and local resources. States like Nevada and Delaware is considered to be the best for creating an LLC easily. These business-friendly states are best for creating an LLC even if you live in another country. Step 2. Choosing the right business name is an important step when forming an LLC. Your business name is often the first thing that potential customers and clients will see, and it will help to set the tone for your brand. When selecting a business name, consider the following tips. Keep it simple and easy to remember and make sure it's unique. Consider your target audience and consider the length of the name. A shorter name is often easier to remember and will be more effective on marketing materials. Next, check for availability. Before you settle on a name, make sure it's not already in use by another business and that the domain name and social media handles are available. Step 3. Appointing a registered agent is an important step when forming an LLC. A registered agent is a person or organization that is responsible for receiving important legal and tax documents on behalf of your LLC. They act as the official point of contact for your business and are responsible for ensuring that you receive important legal and tax documents in a timely manner. Having a registered agent can help maintain the privacy of your personal information. Your registered agent's information will be listed on public records, rather than your own. You can choose to have a registered address or a virtual address to run the LLC, and a good agent can help you with that as well. Step 4. An LLC's operating agreement is a crucial document that outlines the management and ownership structure of your LLC. It acts as a roadmap for your business and helps to ensure that everyone is on the same page when it comes to important decisions. When creating your LLC's operating agreement, it is important to keep the following things in mind. Ownership structure. Clearly define the ownership structure of your LLC, including the number of members and the distribution of profits and losses. Management responsibilities. Outline the roles and responsibilities of each member, including who will be responsible for making important decisions and managing day-to-day operations. Distribution of profits and losses. Clearly define how profits and losses will be distributed among members. Dissolution procedures. Outline the steps that will be taken if the LLC is dissolved, including how assets will be distributed and any obligations that must be fulfilled. Tax considerations. Consider the tax implications of your LLC's ownership and management structure, and make sure that they are reflected in your operating agreement. Flexibility. Make sure that your operating agreement is flexible enough to accommodate changes to your business as it grows and evolves. Step 5. Determine what licenses and permits are required. Different types of businesses may require different licenses and permits, so it's important to research what is required for your specific business. Check with local and state agencies. Business licenses and permits are often issued by local and state agencies, so you'll need to check with the relevant authorities to see what is required. Keep deadlines in mind. Some licenses and permits have specific deadlines, so it's important to be aware of these and ensure that you apply in a timely manner. Consider the cost. There may be fees associated with obtaining business licenses and permits, so it's important to budget accordingly. Be prepared to provide documentation. When applying for business licenses and permits, you may need to provide various forms of documentation, such as business plans, tax returns, and personal identification. By keeping these considerations in mind, you can ensure that you have all the necessary licenses and permits to operate your business legally and avoid any potential legal or financial consequences. Step 6. Obtaining an EIN, also known as an Employer Identification Number, is a crucial step in forming an LLC. An EIN is a unique 9-digit number issued by the Internal Revenue Service, IRS, that is used to identify your business for tax purposes. Here's how to obtain an EIN. Determine if you need an EIN. If your LLC has multiple members, or if you plan to hire employees, you will likely need an EIN. Apply online. You can apply for an EIN online through the IRS website. The process is quick and easy, and you will receive your EIN immediately upon completion. Apply by mail. If you prefer, you can also apply for an EIN by mail by completing Form SS of 4 and sending it to the IRS. Apply by fax or phone. You can also apply for an EIN by fax or phone, but be aware that this process may take longer. By obtaining an EIN, you will be able to legally open a bank account, hire employees, and pay taxes for your LLC. Setting up a limited liability company is an easy, efficient, and quick way to start a business LLC. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, please like this video and subscribe our channel.